It's February 25th, 2017. At Damen Ship Repair Rotterdam, a new guest is welcomed, the Stena Hollandica.
Stena Hollandica is one of our super ferries and is 240 meters long, 32 meters wide. Can take 1,200 passengers and 320 truck trailers. And then next to that, about 250 cars.
A lot of work needs to be done on the Hollandica before she sails off again in less than 2 weeks. Therefore, crews get to work right away in and outside the ship.
At the moment we're at the yard for conversion to scrubber installation in our funnels. And in the meantime we also take the time for a normal docking, so that means painting and interior-wise an upgrade. When you're in service, you're not able to renew all carpets and flooring. And so this is the opportunity to do that. And it's the first time after delivery, so in 7 years' time.
Because these ships are passengers, ro-ro ships, the one-stop shopping idea is very important, because you have so many jobs in a 5-yearly special docking, you have the conversion. So the one-stop shop allows us to plan all these jobs and to support the client accordingly.
In the end, some of the most complex work on the Hollandica will hardly be visible. However, it is proof of Stena's commitment to a sustainable future.
We're installing here a scrubber installation. It's a big wash plant for the exhaust fumes and takes out the sulfur and fine particles that is normally blown into the air. We install a closed-loop scrubber installation compared to an open-loop scrubber, which is also possible. In our case, all the particles will be kept on board and then given ashore for recycling or reuse.
We have installed a variety of scrubber installations on different types of ships. Well, each individual project is unique for the scrubber installations. So we have experience in that. We really we can support the client with design and our experience from the installations.
Because it's so important to have the ship back in time, the schedule is really pressed to the limit, and everybody is working 24/7 to get everything done, and the whole schedule is very tight. But it goes well and it goes as planned.
It has been hard work, but only 12 days after she arrived, the Stena Hollandica is ready to leave Damen Ship Repair Rotterdam, freshly painted, serviced, and most important, ready to take passengers across the English Channel, more sustainable and in better comfort.